One essential thing of a proper program is it needs to interact with the user. It can't just be there to display some information. It can be, but it's not going to be the most helpful of programs if the user can't tell it to do anything. So, in this video, we're going to cover the basic premises of asking the user for input. We'll be asking the input as a string, but later we can work on converting these things to integers or floats or whatever data type we need it to be for it to work. So let's roll the intro, then get straight into talking about input. Right, so let me reset the timer and we can get started on input. So input is how we unimaginatively ask for input from the user, and we're going to be using some techniques we've already covered here. So first of all, let's set a variable called name. Then we're going to use the input function. So to use it, we just need to type input and then brackets, and in the brackets we can put what we want to ask the user. So I'm going to put a string asking what is your name, and then since I want the user to type it on a new line, I'm going to use the escape sequence \n. Now I want to print the user's name that they've just told us, and to do that I'm going to use concatenation. So I'm going to say you told me that your name is, and then I'm going to use concatenation, so plus name. So what this is going to do is it's first going to do this. That's the first step it's going to do. It's going to ask what is your name to the user. Then it'll open up the terminal for the user to type in their name and then set what the user types into the name variable. Then it's going to print you told me that your name is plus what the user said their name was. So let's run it and see if this works. And it does work. So what is your name? Let's say Elitopia. Enter. You told me that your name is Elitopia. So we've used some concepts here that we've covered previously, and as I said, fundamentals keep adding up to form more fundamentals. And so today we just covered the input, which can be used in many different ways, but for now that's it. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.